In today's video, let's talk about how to fix the Instagram cannot change username. So if you're trying to change the current username that you have for your Instagram account, there are a few things that you need to know. If it hasn't been 14 days since you previously changed your username on Instagram, you would not be able to do so. So make sure that the 14-day period or the window has passed. Only then you'd be able to add in a new username. Also make sure that the username is already not taken. If you are able to see a check mark being displayed, that simply means that the username is available, or Instagram does not currently have available the current username that you're trying to use. In this situation as well, you would not be able to use it. So make sure this particular username is currently available on Instagram. Now if this is not the case for you, then what you can try out is try to uninstall Instagram from your device and then again re-download it. Sometimes what happens is bugs cause these sort of issues. So as soon as you reinstall, you will have the latest version of Instagram, and any sort of bugs which might be causing these sort of issues will also be fixed. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you in solving out your issues.